Okay, okay.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning, Monica ji. I am happy, exuberant. And what about you? Thanks for asking.
Yeah, just I'm looking forward for my channel, and I'm great. Thanks for asking. And how are you doing nowadays? How is journey going on?
My journey is going on good. I am doing well, and my practice is going on good. And what about you, ma'am? And what about your day?
Yes, actually, I am busy for my coaching center. I personally
Yeah,
started a coaching offline, and that's
yeah.
why I am not able to conduct any session. Before last week, I started my coaching. Because now summer vacations are started has been started now. So many students are there who is demanding for the spoken classes. Spoken classes,
Okay.
ma'am, please give us some spoken classes for vacations so that we can enhance our English. So that's why I started my offline classes also. So I couldn't take any session online on for my YouTube
Okay.
channel, and my channel is stuck stuck badly. So that's why I thought that in the morning, I started.
Hmm.
I will start. I should have taken one session at least.
Hmm. Because you have to focus na your offline classes which you are
Yeah,
giving nowadays to
because
students.
time is
They
less
are
there. Hmm.
they are student and elder.
They are students.
Okay.
Seventh to 12th standard student. They are uh, going to school, and now vacations have been started. So my spoken classes also started.
And I think
Especially
you are giving nowadays online classes related to spoken classes.
online classes I also conduct, but there is less student. Online competition is very high.
Very high.
Online competition is very high, so nobody want to take sessions for paid session. Actually, if I talk about like money, so
Yeah.
they are very close fisted person, because they
Yeah.
thought, first of all, they will think thousand of times in your mind, we should
Yeah.
invest on on this
Yeah.
project or not. So competition is
Mm,
very high, and it is too difficult to earn money online mode. I would
yeah.
say it is too difficult. It is not easy. So that's
They
why
are ready
I
to
yeah.
yeah. They
Uh,
are ready to take classes very less amount.
very less amount, or you can say
Yeah.
the free of cost. People wants to uh, take education free of cost, because there is nobody, everyone wants to earn money. Okay, so now people think that they are he's a or she's a YouTuber, so
Yeah.
she wants to take sessions
Yeah.
or the classes for the sake of they are increasing the subscribers of their
Yeah.
channel, and so many things are there coming in their
Mm,
mind. So online, I have to quit online mode, but only YouTube for my YouTube channel. I'm making videos, and sometimes whenever I take time, I make small videos, shorts like this. But
mm.
for the
If we have a YouTube channel, so people think we are making money, a lot of money, but not like that.
Yes, yes,
Making
yes.
money
And
from
competition
social
is
media.
going
Yeah.
on very badly. Competition is going
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Like now, one YouTuber, there are so many YouTubers, so
Yeah.
they are commonly they connect to each other. Usually
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
used to
Yeah.
connect to each
Yeah.
other regularly.
YouTube.
So they are
Mm.
familiar in their
Mm.
channels or all the things.
Mm.
No? So everybody improve themselves accordingly.
Yeah,
अपने आप में
yeah,
खुद
yeah,
ही इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं,
yeah,
slowly or
yeah,
gradually they can improve their English. So it is a very
yeah,
common language, you know. Now
yeah,
it's just not a international language, it becomes
yeah.
a common language,
Local language, local
local language,
language, you can
like a
say.
mother tongue, like a mother tongue.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am,
And
so we are
nowadays,
meeting very first time, so please could you introduce yourself, Arpit?
yeah, yeah, definitely, ma'am. Thank you, give me this opportunity. I'm from UP, district Saranpur. My name is Pushpa,
Okay.
and there are four members in my family: my husband, I, my son, and my daughter. If I talk about my education, I completed my post graduation in education subject, and I have a plethora hobbies. I have a green thumb. I love cooking and I love listening old song, and I have a skill of stitching. I love to stitch my own clothes. I am certified tailor, you can say,
Okay.
and
You have your
that's
own,
all.
okay, you carry on your boutique.
No, I am not carry on booting. I in past I took classes related to stitching, and I am certified. I love to stitch my own clothes. I
Okay.
don't love to stitch other person clothes,
Okay, okay. You just
because
stitch
now
your
nowadays
own
I
clothes.
am ill na, that's why,
Okay, okay.
because of.
So very nice to hear about you. So
Mm.
shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Okay. So
I
where
love
are
to
you
know
from?
about you.
You are from UP, na, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Saharan.
yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Basically, I am also belong from UP. My hometown was in UP, but now, right now, I live in Gwalior, and my parents are
Okay,
also lives in Gwalior. And
okay,
if I talk about my qualification, I have done masters and B.Ed honors from English literature. And
okay.
by profession, I am a teacher, and I would like
Yeah.
to share new things and good things around the people. Nowadays, I am working offline also, and
Mm.
because lackness of time, I couldn't take sessions on my channel.
Mm.
But now I am able to conduct a session for you, and human being, we are a human being, so we are tired of a little bit, and
Yeah,
we have to a lot of things in my plate is
yeah,
already full,
yeah,
and
yeah,
being
on
a
our
mother,
plate.
being a
Yeah,
housewife, you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders.
yeah,
That's why I couldn't take sessions. But now, in the morning, I thought that I would like to take a session if anyone free. So thank you
yeah,
so much for collaboration with me in the morning. And this is a precious time for everyone's. I
yeah,
know there's so many things are there to
yeah.
do. Okay, so
Yeah.
now please tell me about your daily routine, ma'am. This is the topic
Mm,
for you also.
yeah. मैम पता नहीं what happened in my it has written in previous protection explain. इसमें एक ओके है मैम, एक वो है renew. Which button I press? Tell me.
Which
ज्योति,
regarding which thing?
इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम आ गई, आइए जरा। इसमें क्या हो गया ये?
I am audible to you.
ओके, ओके,
Now
because
it's
I'm not into
now it's
electric
fine.
thing. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
fine.
You are conducting from the laptop?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
ma'am.
So tell me about your daily routine.
Okay, my daily routine. I get up at 6:30. After that, I wash my face. I enter my kitchen. I make tea. I have tea. Then I go to washroom. I take bath. I get dressed, and I go to my home temple. I pray to God, thanks for giving me everything. And again I enter my kitchen, I make my breakfast, and I have, and then I sit on my bed peacefully and I saw some videos, and then after that I prefer to do my household chore. And then I prepare my lunch. I had After having lunch, I prefer to take some rest, you can say cat nap. After that, I get up again, I have tea at 4 o'clock. After that, I love to watch conversation video. And again at 6 o'clock, my dinner time, I start making my dinner and I have dinner. After that, I'm not into this practice. I stopped at 4 o'clock my practice, spoken practice.
Okay, so
And
in a
this is
day,
my daily
how
routine.
many time, how much time do you take your learning? Yeah, this language.
1 hour.
Only 1 hour. Uh,
I
out
prefer
of
to make two calls in a day. And apart from this, I love to watch conversation video and postcard video and spiritual leader. I love to watch and
oh,
listen.
so how many
This is
siblings
my
do you
daily
have?
routine.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
How many kids do you have?
I have two children, one daughter and one son, and both are married and settled.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have also granddaughter, 7 month old.
Okay,
And
granddaughter also.
everything is going on good, smoothly.
Okay, okay.
And what about you, ma'am?
Okay,
How
so
many children do
yes,
you have?
actually, if I talk about my routine, my routine will be started from my tea, my bed tea, and
Okay.
I
Yeah.
started after taking tea. After 15 minutes, I start my yoga and meditation, and
Yeah.
after that, I take baths and go to the kitchen for breakfast and
Okay.
preparing lunch for my family. And I lived in
Yeah.
joint family. So you know, in joint
Mhm.
families, you know there are uh,
Yeah.
many things are there to do in the
Yeah.
morning time. After 12 o'clock, I will be free and to take my
Okay.
sessions. And whenever
Okay.
I get time, I take session like 4 or 5 between 4 to 5 o'clock
Okay.
between. And
Okay.
before that, I have to teach my kids also. I have two
Yeah.
kids, both are son.
Yeah.
Yeah, my elder son is 7 years old. He's in
Yeah.
first standard right now.
Mm.
Now, so
Mm.
there are much hectic and busy
Yeah.
schedule because I have to teach him. And
Yeah.
now, now in my younger son is in nursery
Mm.
standard,
Okay.
so both are very
Oh,
naughty.
they are too small.
They are
Yeah.
too small, yes. And
Yeah.
still we are engaging and I love to learn more and more things because this
Yeah.
is the high time for ourselves also. If you
Yeah.
if you don't take it seriously, so it has gone. Time always
Yeah.
gone. It is
Mm.
not come to return, but
Mm.
we have to utilize our
Mm.
time preciously or wisely, you know.
If we don't pay attention toward this language, to whatever we have earlier, we start forgetting all those things if you don't pay attention.
Yes.
And ma'am, you mentioned you are into yoga, and you do yoga by yourself, and you take classes
No,
from
no.
YouTube.
Actually, yeah, normal common things like I follow Ramdev Baba Yoga.
Okay,
Actually,
okay,
he's
yeah,
very familiar and he's a like now we can say certified uh, as a
Yeah, yeah,
yoga teacher. So I
yeah,
always follow him, and his small steps gives
yeah.
us a motivation also. And
Hmm.
morning yoga, morning meditation, it is very necessary for
Hmm.
all. So, for making me for good energy to become a good energetic people, I just
Yeah.
won't follow him for three or
Okay.
four exercises in a day. It is very
Okay.
like a compulsory for all for and
Okay.
making us ourself energetic.
Healthy and energetic.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And we get rid of lethargic, sluggish. And other thing is, I think Ramdev ji comes in the morning every day live.
Live actually I save his video, two or three videos, yoga videos, which I follow daily, and I didn't watch his live videos. There are so many
Okay.
videos on YouTube channel,
Yeah, yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah,
So like Brahmani, Pranayam, and
yeah.
Anulom Vilom.
Anulom.
These four or
Yeah,
five yoga tips I follow every day.
yeah. Do
Yes.
you like Kapal Bhati?
Yes, yes. I
Do you
like
like
Kapal.
Kapal Bhati?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
It
yeah, yeah,
gives me a lot energy for doing everything. And
yeah.
meditation, if we talk about like meditation, is a different kind of thing beside yoga. Yoga, you are Kapalbhati or pranayam or Anulom
Yeah,
Vilom. These
yeah.
three exercises
Mhm.
related to their yoga.
Hmm.
But meditation is
Hmm.
always
Hmm.
you have to sit
Hmm.
quietly or
Hmm.
peacefully, and you join your hands and say Om, like uh,
Yeah,
chanting Om, or any
yeah,
other name, your Gayatri month you are chanting, you can chant whatever you like, no?
yeah, yeah. It gives us kind of peace to
Peace.
our mind.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For our
yeah,
mind also, physically and mentally, it keeps me fit and
yeah.
it keeps
And
me energy
ma'am,
also.
okay. And ma'am, as you said, you are living in joint family. You have a small children, and do you make any schedule for your day, and you follow randomly?
Actually, there is no schedule fixed for me because I have kids also, so I am very occupied 24 hours, 24 hours
Yeah.
with their activities also. So whenever I get
Mm.
time, like after 4 o'clock, I will be free. But now after 4 o'clock, I have to go to conduct my
Mm.
offline classes also. So that time was also occupied with me. So after
Mm.
7, I will be free
Mm.
after 7 o'clock. And I thought that when I got time, so I make my short videos mostly. And
Yeah.
at that time,
Yeah.
I am not able to conduct long videos because there are household work also for me for
Yeah.
preparing dinner.
And you are giving offline classes, and you are giving at your house, and you
Out of
take
the house, I
room.
have to go out of the house nearby my house.
Yeah, that
I
is
opened small coaching for
yeah.
this
Okay. It is rental institute and it's your own institute.
on rented. Yeah, it
Okay.
is rented.
Okay. And how much fee you
Fees is actually
take for
fee
them?
is depend on your capacity, okay,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
or your knowledge accordingly.
yeah,
If you are a beginner, so there are
yeah,
1,500 months charges.
yeah,
And if you
yeah.
are a intermediate, or you are
Intermediate. Okay.
into learning process, or some
Hmm.
fundamentals of learning English,
Hmm.
so I will charge 1,000.
Yeah. If we know the old grammar's rule and we need just for
Actually,
practice, so
I didn't get into the grammar rules, never. And grammar is
Okay.
not very essential for learning, but you have
Yeah,
some basic knowledge, right?
yeah.
If you have basic knowledge like tenses regarding where you put the
Yeah.
correct structure of grammar, correct uses of verbs, of helping verbs.
Mm.
If you know very well, so there is no need to grammar. Okay. And for
We need to.
example, yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
just for example, I am giving you one or two sentence.
yeah,
Like now, like some vocabulary related also. ना जैसे
yeah.
I can't stand जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल I want to speak in हिंदी. अब
Mm,
मुझसे ये गर्मी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है. लाइक इस तरीके का
mm,
मैंने आपको सेंटेंस दिया. ओके. एंड
mm, mm.
यू हैव टू फ्रेम on your
Yeah,
own language. So
yeah.
how do you frame it? Tell me.
Now I can't wear this coat.
Hmm. Now I can't bear this hot and
Yeah,
this heat. But
yeah,
I want to teach you very advanced vocabulary. If I talk
yeah,
about
yeah,
अब
yeah,
मुझसे ये गर्मी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है. So
yeah, yeah,
I want to make this sentence. I
yeah, yeah,
can't stand this
yeah,
heat. मैं इस गर्मी को नहीं सह सकती हूँ. I can't
yeah,
stand. मैं इस गर्मी में
yeah,
नहीं स्टैंड कर सकती हूँ. तो
yeah.
दिस
I
इज
know,
द
ma'am.
एडवांस वर्ड.
Yeah, yeah. There is a fancy structure is going on nowadays. That's
Hmm.
why beginner get confused
But there is
because
no any need to confusion. First you
yeah,
learn basic things, then you come to the
yeah,
advanced structure,
we need
Pushpa.
to follow
But now
advanced instruction.
we know we are a beginner. But if you
Yeah,
are a
yeah,
beginner and you are not a beginner in my eye,
yeah,
you have a good structure of language. You can speak in English
yeah,
very well. So
yeah, yeah,
you should go through advanced structure also.
yeah, yeah. Nowadays, I'm trying to learn advanced structure because
Nice, very nice.
basic I know very well. Basic.
Yeah,
That's why.
wonderful. And I know you can do it also. Advanced language,
Yeah, yeah,
you are able fully to
yeah,
go to the advanced level, vocabulary,
yeah.
structures, and so many
Yeah.
things are there for learning advancedly.
Because there is one thing, ma'am, with me. I have a rare disease for since 2009. That's why I'm not pressurizing myself too much. Whatever comes to me easily, I can grab.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And
That's why.
so one thing you have to just keep attention on your in your mind
Yeah,
when you
yeah,
start new things or new advanced learning
yeah,
vocabulary. So you just write
yeah,
down in your notebook or anywhere
yeah.
so that you can revise that vocabulary
Mm.
because revision is the key of success. If you can't revision of your vocabulary or your structure, you never learn new things every day because
Mm.
this is my personal experience. I always believe to revision. Always believe.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I
And
always
I,
passed in my past years, I
mm,
experienced a lot because I attempted
mm,
one or two government exam also regarding
yeah, yeah,
teaching
yeah,
regarding teacher post.
yeah.
So I
Mm.
know very well what is the
What is the
cost of
process?
revision. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it is very precious.
And And nowadays, I prefer to learn only one new structure.
Yeah.
And after that, learning that structure, I like to make video on that
You
structure,
just
short video.
learn one
And
structure in a day, like can't
yeah,
stand. मैंने जैसे आपको
yeah, yeah,
बताया मैं इस गर्मी में मैं इस ट्रैफिक में बिल्कुल
uh,
रह नहीं सकती. मैं इस ट्रैफिक को
yeah,
बिल्कुल सहन नहीं कर सकती. So I
yeah, yeah.
can't stand
Can't
this
is
traffic. I
this
can't
traffic.
stand.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you
yeah,
you learn this structure now, okay, in
yeah.
front of me. And
I
now
have also learned from you this structure now.
yes, yes. And
Thank you.
you should make some small or short video on your own
Yeah, yeah,
voice accordingly
yeah.
and upload your channel. This
I
is
am also making and I upload on my channel. I have a channel.
okay. So, what's your channel name, ma'am?
My channel name is Passion Has No Age.
Okay, you just give me your channel link. I visit. I
Yeah,
definitely will visit.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for being here and take out some precious morning time. And this
Okay.
channel, actually, I have to wrap up the session because only
Hmm.
5 minutes is left for wrapping up the this session.
But ma'am, I want to know about your journey. When did you start? Which type of
Actually,
hurdle did
yeah,
you face?
according to me,
In
I
short,
am, yes, 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 definitely.
yeah,
I want to share
because
with
you
you.
are running out of the time.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yeah, that's
started
why.
my journey like in 2025 in the month of October.
Yeah,
I started my channel,
yeah,
and there are 8 months completed, 8 or 9 months, I think, completed for my channel,
yeah.
and my channel is going on smoothly. And
Mm-hmm.
when I started my channel, I stuck a lot. I fumbled a lot while speaking.
Yeah.
Frankly, I
Mm-hmm.
honestly. But now
Mm-hmm.
this is the day, or this is the April month is going on. I am very, very frankly,
Yeah, yeah,
and I can express myself very nicely. And
yeah,
simultaneously, I am working also, and
yeah,
I am a housewife also, being a mother. This
yeah,
is too
yeah,
difficult to take out
yeah,
time
yeah.
for ourselves, for
I
our
can
personality
understand.
growth.
Yeah, yeah,
So I get time, so I making my small notes on my
yeah,
diary,
yeah,
and I
yeah,
maintain my daily diary for my videos, for my conversational videos. How can I
yeah,
process? What kind of
yeah,
questions I should discuss with my co-learners? So these all
yeah, yeah.
strategy I follow every day. So that's
Mm.
how I started my journey.
Okay, thank you, ma'am,
Uh,
sharing your journey to me.
yeah,
And
yeah.
ma'am, can you provide me PDF for
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
session?
Okay. PDF.
Okay,
Which kind of PDF?
this session.
Okay, okay. I will share with you after uploading on my channel. Okay. After
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
uploading
yeah.
my channel, I will
First you
definitely share with you.
upload, then I.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
ma'am. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.
Great
Thank
day.
you, ma'am. It was nice time to with you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.